In 1975, just as the war is reaching this very chaotic conclusion, there were thousands of children who'd been orphaned by South Vietnamese families, and probably many thousands more women who were completely terrified about the life of persecution that lay ahead for their babies. In the panic, lots of people fled, some by foot, some by boat, and some in the arms of strangers, as part of a controversial American mission known as Operation Babylift. The idea was to evacuate over 3,000 South Vietnamese babies and young children to be adopted overseas, in the hope they'd get the chance to live better lives. The very first flight took off on the 4th of April at 16:03. But just as these children had escaped Saigon, 12 minutes later, disaster struck. The plane crash landed right here in District 12. There were 314 people on board, and somehow 176 survived. Among them, a 10-month-old baby, Odile.
Lucky baby like me were alive, but the middle, all they died. My position in the plane, I was on the second floor at the end of the plane, and that's why my life was saved.
A 10-month-old baby in the wreckage of a plane at the end of a war. What happened then?
I went to an American hospital in Ho Chi Minh for my injuries, and after 1 or 2 weeks, I arrived in France, in Paris.
Tell me about your French parents then.
I have a chance to have a lovely parents. They gave me a lot of chance to succeed in my life.
Odile built a fulfilling life in France and became a successful lawyer. But like many adoptees, she always wondered where she came from. So as a young adult, she returned to Vietnam, hoping the nuns from her orphanage could help trace her birth mother.
So this is my birth act. Waiting is the name of my Vietnamese mother here.
So you know her name?
I know the name, but only the name, not the date of birth. I think after the end of the war, a lot of documents have been burned. And so it's very difficult to find her.
Missing records mean that out of the 3,000 Babylift children, only 12 have been reunited with their birth families.
I don't know the reasons to abandon me, but if I have the chance to meet her now, it's just to say, you are not guilty. Really, when people meet me and say, oh, you are a victim of a crash. No, I'm a lucky girl because I love the life. Just here, around the corner on the left.
Odile has not been able to find her birth mother, but she came to visit District 12 to trace part of her story.
It's just here.
Oh, wow.
And inside, you have a piece of metal of the plane, just here. Yes.
Oh my goodness me. The plane broke into 4 parts during the crash, scattering across the neighborhood. This shrine marks the spot of the first impact. A remaining shard of the aircraft, lodged into the soil beneath, forms the base of the shrine. Oh my goodness me, that's properly embedded in the ground.
It's so lovely to keep this monument for the big team of Babylift and someone like me who want to come back.
Odile's identity sits between 2 cultures, the one that raised her and the one she never stopped belonging to.
Yes. A fresh coconut.
Yes.
Oh no, I want that as well.
You want the same? Okay, so 2 more high coconut. Here.
Thank you. It was 25 years ago that she first returned to her motherland, and now she wants to stay. Have you decided to live in Vietnam then?
Yes, because I want to have a relationship and connection with my people. I want to know if I can be a real Vietnamese here. And so it's to enjoy and to discover this amazing country Vietnam is now.